Welcome to Token Clash. Today, we are looking at two cryptocurrencies dominating the artificial intelligence sector, but they play two completely different roles in the ecosystem. It is a battle between the hardware and the software. First, we have Aethir. Imagine an enormous global power plant, but instead of generating electricity, it generates pure computer processing power. Aether aggregates high end graphics cards and rents them out so AI companies can run their massive programs. Trading today at approximately $0.0065, Aether commands a market capitalization of roughly $115 million. On the other side, we have Paal AI. If Aether is the power plant, Paal is the smart assistant living inside your phone. Paal builds highly advanced AI chatbots that live on platforms like Telegram and Discord, helping crypto communities automate tasks and answer questions. Trading today as a true microcap at roughly $0.017, PAAL holds a market capitalization of approximately $16.5 million. Today, our evaluation is driven strictly by a cumulative star scoring system, the project that aggregates the highest total technical score across 9 categories takes the crown. Let's look at the data. Paal AI possesses an incredible advantage in social presence because its product lives directly inside social media. Millions of crypto investors interact with Paal bots every single day in their favorite Telegram groups, creating a highly vocal retail community that advertises the product naturally. Aether has a strong, dedicated community of node operators and tech investors, but it operates more behind the scenes. Because Paul's core utility forces daily community interaction, it dominates the social velocity metrics. Paal AI secures 19 points to Aethir's 15. Aethir launched with absolute Tier 1 institutional backing, securing listings on major global gateways like OKX, Bybit, and KuCoin. This provides deep liquidity, routinely processing over $15 million in daily trading volume. PAL AI originated as a much smaller project and relies heavily on decentralized exchanges like Uniswap, processing around $1 to $2 million a day. Because Aether offers a vastly superior infrastructure for institutional capital and fiat on ramps, it secures 18 points. PAL earns 15. The board is incredibly close. Aether 33, PAL 34. Token dynamics define long-term survival. Aethir has a massive maximum supply of 42 billion tokens. While it has an emissions schedule designed to pay node operators over the years, it inherently faces continuous inflation risk as more tokens enter circulation. PAL AI utilizes a much tighter economic model with a 1 billion maximum token supply. More importantly, PAL generates real revenue from its AI services and uses a portion of that money to buy back tokens and reward stakers. For providing a revenue sharing model that directly benefits holders, PAL secures 18 points. Aethir takes 14 points. PAL extends its lead 52 to 47. PAL AI is a fantastic software wrapper utilizing existing large language models and training them on crypto specific data to create intelligent bots. It is highly useful, but it relies on external intelligence. Aethir represents a massive physical engineering feat. It aggregates enterprise grade hardware and distributes that computing power globally for cloud gaming and AI training. Building a decentralized physical infrastructure network is an exponentially harder technological challenge than building a software bot. For pushing the boundaries of physical networking, Aether extracts a perfect 20 points. PAL takes 14 points. Aether flips the board, leading 67 to 66. When we look at network utility, we see a clash of business models. PAL AI dominates the business to consumer market. It has integrated its bots into thousands of crypto communities, serving massive amounts of individual retail users daily. Aethir dominates the business to business market. Its utility is measured by computing power rented to massive corporate clients, AI research labs, and gaming studios. Both have executed their use cases flawlessly. Aether secures 18 points for its enterprise utility, while PAL secures 17 points for its sheer volume of daily human interaction. Aether leads 85 to 83. Aether is backed by some of the most powerful venture capital firms in Web3. This massive institutional backing guarantees deep industry connections and long-term financial runway. PAL AI grew organically and secured excellent partnerships, notably being accepted into the Google Cloud Startups program in the past, which is a massive stamp of approval. However, Aethir's sheer weight of Tier 1 institutional investors gives it an undeniable advantage in corporate trust and market making. Aether earns 19 points. PAAL takes 16. The total is 104 to 99 in favor of Aether. Paal AI acts primarily as a traditional software company that issued a token. While the team is working toward further decentralization, the core AI models require centralized management to function smoothly. Aethir, by definition, is a decentralized infrastructure. To ensure the network is secure, Aethir sold tens of thousands of checker nodes to the public, distributing the validation process globally across independent operators. For staying true to the cryptographic ethos of physical decentralization, Aether earns 18 points. PAAL takes 14. The gap widens. Aether 122, PAAL 113. The future narrative of cryptocurrency is currently split between two massive trends: decentralized infrastructure and AI agents. Aether provides the physical computing power the world desperately needs. However, the narrative around autonomous digital robots that can trade and research independently is arguably the fastest moving trend in the retail market. PAAL sits directly in the center of the AI agent narrative, attracting massive retail speculation given its tiny market cap. For capturing the most aggressive retail growth narrative, PAAL secures a perfect 20 points. Aether extracts 17 points. The score is Aether 139, PAAL 133. Looking at historical price resilience, Aether had a massive launch but has experienced standard market corrections as it builds its enterprise network, now sitting at a very accessible valuation. Paal AI is a legendary success story in the microcap space. It grew from fractions of a penny to a massive peak, proving its ability to generate insane multipliers for early investors. Its revenue sharing model provides strong price support, and its extreme volatility makes it a favorite for momentum traders. For pure historical price velocity and investor profitability, PAL secures 19 points against Aethir's 16 in this final round. This concludes our technical evaluation based on supply metrics, architectural design, and current market data. We have tabulated the final scores. PAL AI accumulated an impressive 152 total points, proving that AI software, revenue sharing, and an obsessed retail community can build a massive ecosystem. However, with a final score of 155 total points, Aether takes the victory. The summary is mathematically clear. If you want a high risk, high reward microcap that rides the hottest retail trend of AI chatbots and shares actual protocol revenue with its holders, PAL AI is a phenomenal asset. But if you want to own the foundational layer, the physical GPU hardware, and decentralized cloud infrastructure that powers the AI industry behind the scenes, Aether remains the mathematically superior choice for long-term fundamentals. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and smash that like button so you don't miss the next fight. I'll see you in the next battle.